Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to manage knowledge base access in Trupeer. From the home page, open the website menu and click on the knowledge base option. You'll be redirected to the knowledge base. Inside the knowledge base, click on the Manage Access option. Under the Visibility tab, you'll see several options. These options include public, organization level, and selected domains. If you want to add domains like Trupeer or any other domains based on your requirements, you can enter the company name, add the domain, and then click on the Add option. You can also use the Invite Only option. Click on Invite Only, enter the specific email ID of the person, and then click on Add. Now I'll show you how the public link works in different tabs. First, I'll save it as public. Then, in the knowledge base, go to any one of the created article, select the content, and copy the URL. Next, paste the URL of the particular video. Since this is a publicly listed URL, it opens successfully. Now I'm going back again to the main account. Now I'll update the status. In Manage Access, I'll change it to only the organization level, and then click on the Save option. Once that's done, I'll go to the existing video and refresh the page. Here, you'll see the Access Denied message and login with a different account. You will get the Access Denied message. Now I'll show you the particular domain option. Click on the Manage Access option, and then select the particular domain. I'll add Trupeer, then click on Add, and then click on Save. This is a Trupeer account, right? A Trupeer domain, so I'll refresh the page. While opening the particular selected option, if you want to access it through Invite Only with a particular email ID, click on it, and then Save. Then I'll go to the particular email ID I used. Now it will work. If I remove that particular email ID, you will get the access restriction again. Then I'll click on Save with a different email ID. After that, I'll go to the existing one and try to refresh the account. We will get the Access Denied message. That's how you can use Manage Access in the Trupeer knowledge base. Thank you.